How to test for low testosterone at NovaGenix. Are you feeling low on energy or struggling with reduced muscle mass or even changes in mood? These could all be signs of low testosterone. At NovaGenix, we're here to help you find answers and solutions. At NovaGenix, we understand that low testosterone or low T can impact many aspects of your life, from energy levels to physical performance and even your mood. Let's walk you through how we diagnose low T and help you regain your vitality. One of the first steps in accurately determining whether or not a patient has low testosterone is through a basic blood test. By checking hormone levels such as your free and total testosterone, estradiol, getting a PSA, hematocrit, and other potential biomarkers, our physician will be able to determine exactly where you stand in terms of your hormone levels. It's a simple and convenient process which gives the healthcare providers valuable information to help them determine the most suitable course of treatment for each individual patient. Lab results usually come back within a few days, and Dr. Mackey will thoroughly review the results with you during your consultation. During your consultation, we will also review your signs and symptoms associated with suboptimal hormone levels and low testosterone. It's important to treat a patient not solely on the results of their blood tests, but on the symptoms they may be experiencing as well. By taking a simple questionnaire called the ADAM test, which stands for Androgen Deficiency in Aging Males, we can determine the potential likelihood that a patient has low T. When combining the signs and symptoms with your actual lab results, we can confidently determine whether or not you have an androgen deficiency and if TRT is an appropriate course of treatment. After our physician personally reviews your results and meets with you to discuss the findings, if needed, additional tests may be recommended to ensure understanding of your health. If your testosterone levels are low, testosterone replacement therapy or TRT may be recommended. TRT can boost energy, improve mood, and help you build strength. We'll also guide you on lifestyle changes like proper exercise, nutrition, and better sleep to support your progress. At NovaGenix, we believe in personalized care. Every patient is unique, and we're here to provide the support and expertise that you need to feel your best. So if you're ready to take control of your health, contact NovaGenix today, schedule your consultation, and discover how we can help you live better, stronger, and healthier.